In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money on QuickBooks Online. If you're thinking about signing up, or maybe setting up a new account for your business, a few simple choices right at the start can make a big difference in what you pay over the first year. Let's begin with one of the best ways to get a discount, which is using a referral link. Before you head straight to the QuickBooks website and sign up, take a moment to search online for QuickBooks referral link. You'll often find accounting professionals, bookkeeping firms, or certified partners who share special sign-up links. These referral links can unlock discounts that are much better than the standard offer on the main QuickBooks page. For example, you may see deals like around 30% off for 12 months, sometimes even combined with an extra free month. That kind of savings can really add up over a full year of service, especially if you choose one of the higher tier plans. When you're using a referral link, just make sure it directs you to the official QuickBooks site before entering any payment details. You want to confirm that the discount is shown clearly in your cart or subscription summary. If it doesn't appear, back up and try a different referral link. Taking a few minutes to compare offers can be worth it because some partners have better long-term discounts than others. Now, if you don't want to bother with referral links or you can't find one that works for your region, you can still get an initial discount by signing up directly on the QuickBooks Online website. Typically, you'll see a prominent offer like 50% off for the first 3 months. This is the standard promotion they run for most new users. It's straightforward and easy to activate, but keep in mind that over a full year, this is usually less generous than the longer referral deals. So, think of the direct sign-up discount as your backup option if you can't access a partner link. One important tip: avoid starting with a free trial if your main goal is to maximize discounts. With QuickBooks Online, the system usually treats the free trial and the introductory discount as separate choices. In many cases, if you select the free trial option first, you will not qualify for the big introductory discount when your trial ends. Instead, you'll roll into the regular full price. To get the best savings, you generally need to skip the trial and choose the Buy Now option that clearly shows the discounted rate. So to recap, look for partner referral links first, use the built-in website discount if needed, and be careful about selecting a free trial, because that can block you from the best introductory pricing. Following these simple guidelines can significantly reduce your QuickBooks Online costs right from day one.